Alright, so what I want to do first is figure out where I want to place this and kind of sketch it out. Now, if I use a really good shadow, I'll feel like this. Ooh, that's beautiful. That gives me an idea of where the shadows might be when I paint it. I like doing this because if you just kind of make up the shadows, the shadows, in my opinion, kind of make the piece. So it depends where we want them. You know, and I find if you just kind of make it up, then it just doesn't really do it justice. I apologize for the shaking. So I am gonna just kind of trace out the shadow. And when it comes to shadows, I really like doing this because they're so simple. There's nothing to them. They're all one color. At least in this case. But it's the fine details here. The little itty bitty bits that I think are really important. Okay, it doesn't have to be exact. So there we go. So that's our shadow. Now, let's do the rest. So I'm just going to do a really quick sketch. When it comes to drawing, the key is to just draw what you see.
Капает тут с неба. По неделям в юге метели. Вдоль дороги домики под снегом, словно белые медведи. Заплутали, заблудились в паутинках улиц. И большой медведице, как маме, в брюхо звездное уткнулись. Молоко течет по снегу ветер.